Changing your verification method on Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. Scroll down and find the Security option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. In the Security section, you will see options for your verification method. Select the method you want to change, such as adding a phone number or email address. Step 5. Follow prompts to update. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the update of your verification method. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your new method. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance.